Welcome to ACTAtek. One platform, endless possibilities. ACTAtek unifies security, people, building, environment, and appliances into one intelligent platform. Save more, impact more. Slash 25% to 50% of energy costs, cut carbon emissions, enhance building value, and meet ESG goals toward net zero. This is achieved through minimal cabling and installation, online maintenance and upgrades, and a lower carbon footprint. Buildings that respond intelligently, real-time people and sensor data to automatically manage lighting, air conditioning, ventilation based on occupancy. Benefits include minimal cabling, online maintenance, and a lower carbon footprint. Always one step ahead, even for a meeting of 1,000 people in 30 minutes. The system uses dynamic response to pre-adjust air conditioning and lighting before the meeting begins, provides auto shutdown after the last person leaves, and manages crowd control to ensure comfort and safety. Secure every entrance your way. Choose the right credential for every level of security, from RFID to biometrics and QR codes and OTP. The platform works online and offline with its own database, providing real-time information of who enters and who's denied. Sense everything, connect everything. One edge device connect to IoT sensors and appliances, including those for temperature, smoke, humidity, and various air quality matrix. It also control lighting, air conditioning, ventilators, computers, and heating, and more. Experience one intuitive platform with zero complexity. Eliminate multiple systems, vendors, and training headaches. Manage everything with one intuitive software, as simple as internet banking. ACTAtek is open, scalable, sustainable, and future-proof. Join us in building a smarter, safer, greener future together.